I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, here to show you how to fix a hole in a kitchen faucet spray hose. If you get a pinhole inside or on this spray hose going to your kitchen sink sprayer, unfortunately there is no fix for a pinhole in these things. You can't tape them. Anything like that's just going to be a temporary fix. It's just not going to work for you. So you need to get up underneath here and remove the hose. There's a lock nut or a tightening nut. This will tighten it into place into the faucet. Now some of the newer ones are going to have a quick disconnect. You can disconnect. So you'll want to take that spray hose completely out. Take that spray hose with you down to wherever you're going to get a new one, so you get the right one with the right size thread. Some faucets, they're rare, but there are a few of them out there that you'll have to remove the faucet to get that sprayer disconnected. Once you get the new one back in, slide it back into the guide, reattach it to the bottom of your faucet, and you'll need to tighten that thing into place. Use your basin wrench, crescent wrench, or something to get it tightened back into place. And again, I'm Terry with Towers Plumbing. We've showed you how to fix a hole in a kitchen faucet spray hose.